Okay, let's go through checkpoint 14, which is a A-level question, but I forget which year already. Okay, so you have this airplane, right, with two engines, each of power output 250 kilowatt, meaning that a total of power output of 500 kilowatt is being so-called produced, can travel at a maximum speed of about 90 meter per second. So we are given a speed also. So the total drag is directly proportional to the speed of the plane. So it's D equal to KV lah. So what is the maximum speed if only one engine is working? Okay, so for this question actually it's quite difficult. So if you know how to do means I think you're quite good. Okay, so for the thrust, first I need to know what is the engine force. Remember, right, our power, instantaneous power, right, is equal to F multiplied by V. So since I know that the two engines, right, will have a total power of 500 kilowatt, right, meaning is 500,000 watt. And of course, if I travel at a speed of, let's just say 90 meter per second, so I will know that my engine force, because always remember F is not the resultant force, it's actually the engine force, or what we call the applied force. So it's simply just use 500,000 divided by 90. So your engine force is roughly about, or thrust is about 5556 Newton. So that's the thrust, forward thrust. Okay, so they say that it's a maximum speed, meaning that when you see maximum speed, always remember you cannot accelerate any further, or maybe you cannot decelerate anymore. So meaning that the acceleration is equal to 0. So if acceleration equals to 0, it means that the resultant force is equal to 0. So means that my drag force, right, D is also equal to 5556 Newton. So when you are traveling at maximum speed of 90 meter per second, my forward thrust is 5556. My drag force is also 5556. Okay, and they already tell us that the drag force is directly proportional to the speed. Means that I can actually find the K. This is a so-called constant of proportionality. So you simply just put D equal to KV. So my D is about 5556. My V is about 90. So my K constant, which later we will need to use it. So 5556 divided by 90, right? So about 61.7 like that. So okay, so after finding K, right, now we want to determine what is the maximum speed that the airplane is traveling at when only one engine is working, meaning only the airplane only produced 250 kilowatt. Okay, so let's see how we actually do. So of course I draw a new airplane. So first this one, after that, okay, so there's a engine right here. So this engine is working, so this is 250,000 watt. So there's one engine right here that's not working, so I just cross it. Okay, so first I need to determine what is the thrust, right? So thrust we know P equal to F times V. Okay, the next thing I want to determine is the drag force. So the drag force must be equal to the thrust, because they tell us that it's a maximum speed. So drag is equal to KV. Since I know what is my K, right? So K is about 61.7. Okay, I don't know what is my V. But I know one thing for sure is that my forward thrust must equal to the backward drag, or the air resistance, because they say maximum speed means that there shouldn't be any resultant force. So I make use of this idea, I can determine already. Okay, so I just need to look at the F right here. So this is the so-called the forward thrust, right? I make F the subject, meaning this F is actually equal to the V you move to the left hand side, so P divided by V. So this is the forward, this is the thrust. Then after that the drag is 61 so D is equal to 61.7 V. So it's simply just equate D is equal to F. Then after I manipulate, I should get the answer already. So first, P is the P divided by V. This one is the thrust, is equal to the drag force, right? So drag force is 61.7 V. And I know that only one engine is working. Means that the power, right, is about 250,000. So this is 250,000. Then I solve for V. So 61.7 V square equal to 250,000. So okay, so 250,000 you divide by 61.7, so this will give you about 4052 like that. So it's equal to 4052. Then you square it. So square root 4052, so this will give you about 63.6, or round up to 64 meter per second. So the maximum speed you can go when only one engine is working is about 64 meter per second. So the answer for checkpoint 14 will be C.